Good morning and a very warm welcome to this webinar. Let's see, guys, what exactly is a marketing workflow. But before that, we'll understand what is a workflow. A workflow is something very simple. This is from the Webster website. The definition of a workflow is the sequence of steps involved in moving from beginning to a end of a process. Okay, so it's as simple as how I can start and end a particular working process, and all the sequence of steps which are involved is known as a workflow. Okay, we all are, I guarantee we all are using workflows in our daily life. Okay, you might not know it right now कि you are using a workflow, but I will very soon tell you कि how you guys are actually doing it right now. Okay, so what is important here to understand is three things. It's a sequence of steps from beginning to end, and at the end of it, basically it's an entire part of an entire working process. So there will be some output you will get at the end of it. Okay, so that exactly is a marketing workflow. That is sequence of steps beginning to an end, and it is part of a working process. So at the end of it, you will get some output. So how many of you guys are aware that you guys are already using workflows in your life? Okay. So example is it's a recipe. At the end of it, workflow is nothing else but it's a recipe. Okay. Or we can say it's a formula. Here it gives you some steps, you need to follow it, and once you follow it, at the end you will get the result. That's what a workflow is all about. That's what a recipe is all about. Okay, let's see some examples. Okay, right now cooking cooking में एक ट्रेंड चल रहा है ऑनलाइन which is this particular rap. How many of you know this trend which is on? Okay, which is a wrap wherein you put in you have a wrap, you cut it at one end, and then चार ingredients डाल के इसको सिर्फ wrap करना है और इसको oven में heat करना है. ये ट्रेंड कितने लोगों को पता है? Press 1 on your keyboard and send it to the chat if you know this trend. So many people are saying they know this. What I would suggest to everyone is if you can change your chat settings to all panelists and attendees, so everyone can see your answers. Right now, what is happening is most of your chat settings are only directed to all panelists. So just make that change. Yeah, thanks. So this trend, if you are not aware, let's just do one thing. Rap GIF trending. Check this out. This is the trend right now. I hope everyone can see my screen. So basically कुछ नहीं करना है, एक रोटी लेना है, रोटी के ऊपर एक साइड पे चीज डालो. इंडियन वर्जन में वो लोग कांदा डालते हैं, छोले डालते हैं, एंड पनीर डाल देते हैं. Okay, so that's how simple it is to actually use ingredients in your kitchen, and at the end of it, you get a amazing wrap. Similarly, there are other things which I think everyone uses, which is Maggi noodles. Maggi is famous for 2 minute noodles. Now, ये 2 minute क्या है? 2 minute में आपको एक प्रोसेस दिया है, एक वर्कफ्लो दिया हुआ है रैपर के पीछे, and that at the end of the 2 minute you get noodles. Okay, so this is the perfect example I feel of a process कि start किया with start में hunger होता है, and that's why we get Maggi. The moment we get Maggi, we know what to do. Right now, no one looks at the wrapper, but people just heat boil water, put the masala, put Maggi in it, wait for some time, and then they can consume it. It's as simple as this. How many of you are guilty of this workflow, or you are using this workflow in your life? Please press one. Please press one and enter in the chat. How many of you are fans of Maggie? Education system. Okay, the education system in India is a complex workflow. We all have gone through this. Most of us in India, okay, most of us in India have gone through the education system, which is junior KG, then upper KG, उसके बाद nursery, then play group and all those things. फिर pre primary है, primary है, secondary है. तो दैट्स योर स्कूल एजुकेशन. सेकेंडरी के अंदर भी 10th स्टैंडर्ड आता है, 12th स्टैंडर्ड आता है, विच इज नोन एज हायर सेकेंडरी, HSC. Similarly, after that, what you get to do is you do your graduation. If you want, you can also do your masters. If you want, you can also do distance education. So this is education system in India, and this is the workflow which all of us have mostly gone through. I don't think any one of us, like, maybe drop कहीं ना कहीं लिया होगा, but most of us have gone through this. Okay, so this is a complicated workflow which is part of maybe many years of our lives. Okay, and this has been like this, and it works. It basically, and like all of us are here today thanks to we have gone through this workflow and we have come to understand basic things wherein we can now think for ourselves. Okay, so this is where the education system ka workflow comes in. Similarly, exercise. Okay, I don't know how many people here would know, but if you go to the gym, okay, जिम का एक वर्कफ्लो होता है. आपको स्टार्ट में व्हेन यू विल जॉइन, दे विल टॉक टू यू कि कार्डियो करो पहले 10 दिन एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. उसके बाद आपको ये प्रोग्राम पे डालेंगे. दिस इज द मोस्ट फेमस प्रोग्राम इन अ जिम. ओके, बी इट गाइज और गर्ल्स, दे विल गिव यू दिस प्रोग्राम विच इज मंडे को बैक बाइसेप करते हैं, ट्यूसडे को कार्डियो करते हैं, वेनेसडे को चेस्ट शोल्डर ट्राइसेप करेंगे, थर्सडे को कार्डियो करेंगे, फ्राइडे को लेग करेंगे और सैटरडे को कार्डियो करेंगे, संडे को रेस्ट करना. So this is also a workflow. If you follow this workflow for 3 months or something, you will see a transformation in your body. Again, set of steps, and हर एक चीज में like अगर आप बैक बाइसेप्स अगर आप लेते हो तो उसके अंदर भी उसके बहुत सारे पार्ट्स है, राइट? So there are parts like you will first do maybe a lat pull down, then you will do some other exercises. Then for biceps, you will start with dumbbells, you will start with lighter weights and all. So there are variations to it, but this is generally the workflow of a gym exercise schedule. Okay. Now, why I'm telling this is I want you guys to understand you guys are all actually using workflows in your life. There is no escape from it. Okay. हर चीज में workflow है. It's like if you want to, let's say, use your phone services. Okay, you have to pay the bill. Now paying the bill involves a certain workflow. You know it for a fact कि if you download a app called Uber, and if you want to go from point A to point B, you have to book it using certain steps. Those steps are nothing else but a part of a workflow. Okay, so anything which follows a sequence of steps, okay, which is part of a working process, that is पहले start में you might not have anything to start with, but at the end of it you will get something out of it. It's like Maggi noodles. Start में से भूख है, end में आपको noodles मिलता है और उसका conclusion जो है आपका पेट भर गया. Okay, so this is what a workflow is, and this is how we need to understand it first, so that then we can get to more complex topics like marketing workflows. Are we clear on workflows till now? And if we are clear, please press 1 and enter in the chat so that I get the understanding that we are all clear on this point. Awesome. I can see some ones coming in. So great. Now moving to the next part, which is marketing workflow and why exactly marketing workflows are required. Okay, let's look at the problem first. So typically अगर किसी को भी marketing करना है, digital marketing, obviously this is not offline marketing, digital marketing, then they a company would require this, even a person would require this at a certain point. If you're serious about your online business, or let's say setting up an online business or a digital marketing channel for your company or your business, you will want this. You will want a website, you will want social media to work for you, you will have paid ads running, you will have events which are running, and you will, for all of these things, you will need content. Okay. सो वेबसाइट के ऊपर अगर अपन देखते हैं, बहुत सारा काम है. देर इज वेबसाइट से बन गई और काम हो गया, ऐसा नहीं है. आई एम हियर जस्ट टेकिंग इनटू अकाउंट कि यू हैव अ वेबसाइट, सो यू विल रिक्वायर एसईओ, दैट इज सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, which is basically nothing else but helping your website rank on Google. Okay. Similarly, you will need to publish content for SEO, that is blogs. You might publish, that's the most simplest form of content. And blogs क्यों publish करना चाहिए? और एक reason है कि it builds your authority and thought leadership in the space. You will want people to come onto your website and subscribe to your emailer, because how do you generate leads, how do you generate contacts? You ask people to subscribe to something that you have. Like, you guys have all enrolled for this webinar. Why you enrolled for it? Because you thought ki yahan pe, when once you will come in, you will get to learn something related to marketing workflows today, for example. So that's why you would have given me your email id. So you need some mechanism for email subscription. Now, if you need a mechanism for email subscription, you will also need maybe a landing page. A landing page is nothing else but a single concentrated page wherein the only focus is on some offer. Okay. And that offer is for your customer. So, वो page पे बंदा land करेगा, maybe through an ad or something, and they might subscribe to your email, or they will give you their email ID. Then your website, you must have seen websites which have pop-ups. Okay. So pop-ups are something which your website would require. Your website would also require forms. Your website pay, you might be running offers or discounts. You might want later on, not in this chat, but later on, a chatbot which automatically talks to your, you can say, customers or people who are visiting your website and generates leads from that. Okay. Similarly, on social media, I have just taken into account 4 social media channels which are popular. Okay. And in that, I have just taken Instagram to show you guys how many things are there that we can do actually on Instagram. Like, social media 4 है, वो तो अपना एक पॉइंट हो गया, बट एक इंडिविजुअल इंस्टाग्राम के अंदर there is the feed, we have stories, we have reels, we have IGTV, we have live, and we have DMs. These are all avenues of creating content and communicating something to people and engaging with them, or helping them engage with your brand. So these are all lot of things which you can do on Instagram, for example. Similarly, LinkedIn पे भी बहुत सारी चीजें कर सकते हो, ट्विटर पे भी कर सकते हो, फेसबुक पे भी कर सकते हो. But what I'm trying to show is the amount of work which is actually there to be done on your brand or business. Okay. Similarly, there are paid ads. Social ads हैं, social media पे आप ads चला सकते हो, Google ads चला सकते हो. Okay. ये दोनों एड्स में भी अलग अलग तरीके के एड्स है. इट्स नॉट जस्ट कि एक ही तरीके का एड है. You might see a video ad, you might see a carousel ad, you might see a still image ad, a story ad. So there is a lot that needs to be handled. Then there are events which happen. So there might be events which are happening in your domain. Live events होते थे पहले, अभी फिर से events होना शुरू हो गया है, which are live, like offline events. So you might want to participate there to network with your, you can say, community. You might be a part of virtual events. Okay, because of COVID, what has happened is virtual events have taken off like anything. So there are a lot of virtual events which are happening across communities. So you might want to be a part of it as a business or as a brand. Similarly, you might want to run webinars like this webinar. You might want to train people. Okay. If you are in a domain which is, let's say, slightly technical, you might want to offer training to people as a mechanism to get them attracted so that you can talk to them. Okay. Similarly, there is to keep all this going, you need content across everything, right? Website पे आपको content डालना पड़ेगा, social media पे content चाहिए, ads में content होता है, events में भी content होता है, and there are few content pieces which I have mentioned here, which are like pitch decks. सबसे पहला चीज आपके पास एक pitch deck होना जरूरी है. Second, brochure, proposals, blogs, video, emailers, ads, or content or so pieces I can write down, but I'm not writing it out. The point is, ये काम होता है एक brand के पीछे. Okay, all of this does not need to happen on day one, but over a period of time, you would want all of these things to happen simultaneously. Now, the benefit over here is we need to understand, first of all, everything is digital. So a lot of these things can be automated. Okay. But that can only happen after a certain time. And you need to understand that कि कब ये कर सकते हैं. Okay. So who is required to execute this? This is just a team which I am mentioning, which is um, not the entire team, but a part of it. Okay. Like website है तो website developer चाहिए. एसईओ करने के लिए एक एसईओ स्पेशलिस्ट होना चाहिए. सोशल मीडिया स्पेशलिस्ट चाहिए रहेगा, ग्राफिक डिजाइनर चाहिए रहेगा, कंटेंट मैनेजर, कंटेंट स्ट्रेटजिस्ट, सेल्स आपके अगर ड्राइव करने हैं तो समवन नीड्स टू डू दैट, कंटेंट राइटर चाहिए होगा, वीडियोग्राफर चाहिए होगा. अगर आपको वीडियो बनाना है तो वो आपका जो नॉर्मल कंटेंट राइटर है जो शायद से ब्लॉग लिख रहा है, he or she might not know how to make a video script. So you need a specific content writer for that. Okay. So these are few of the team members that you might require. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Ki I do not, let's say some of you guys must be thinking ki I am a small business. I cannot keep all of these people, which is perfectly fine. And you don't need all of these people at once. But my point is, you will need these people at some point of time. Okay. And it's like in a business, you will face certain problems, and those are growth related problems. Like अगर वेबसाइट बनाया है तो वेबसाइट रैंक करना जरूरी है. So that's the time you will need a SEO guy. So that means आपका वेबसाइट पहले डेवलप जब हो रहा है तभी आपको SEO के बंदे की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay. At the same time, you can also do your research. Your website developer can be smart. There are people who have multiple expertise, right? So the website developer might know SEO a little bit. So he might actually make a website which is SEO compliant because they want to stand out also in the market. So there are these all different kind of things and equation which one needs to navigate through. But the point which I'm trying to make is there is a whole lot of work and there are a whole lot of specialists that are required. Now, as an entrepreneur or as a business owner or as a startup founder, अपने को हमेशा लगता है कि let me do it, let me, I can easily get this done. And I do respect that, but the gamble over there is कि आप अपना time डालोगे and you will put your time in for no relevant output. Okay, what I mean by that is your expertise is not that, whereas your expertise might be your business. Okay, and you are putting time into somewhere where it is not required by you. It is required कि एक specialist का time वहाँ पे जाए, because a specialist will spend lesser time than you. Okay. And when you understand this whole idea about why time is money, you will actually start thinking about it like that कि आपके 8 घंटे जाए कि किसी और के 4 घंटे. Okay. So if you can save your 8 hours and pay someone for 4 hours, that's a better deal. So these are few things which you need to understand, and over a period of time everyone goes through this grind. So that's why I wanted to get this into forefront key. There is, in a marketing workflow, there is all these things that are happening and simultaneously hote ja raha hai. That's why you require a good team to create your website and marketing material and all those things, right? But over a period of time you will also understand who are the right kind of people who you want on your team. Okay. And the goal of any business is to grow. How do you grow? By getting, let's say, good people on board working with you who are getting you the right ROI for your efforts. Okay. So having said that, this is why we all need workflows. Okay. If you guys agree to me, then please press 1 and enter in the chat. Awesome. So workflows, then we agree, are essential. But at the same time, as with anything, right, it should be like Maggie noodles. Okay. How many of you guys agree that workflow needs to be like Maggie? Please write Maggie and enter in the chat. It should be as simple as Maggie. And that's what we are going to understand out here. How do we create such simple workflows? So if you guys want to learn workflows today, please enter Maggie in the chat and send it across. I can see some people doing that. Thank you. So वर्कफ्लो बनाने का क्या वर्कफ्लो है ये अपने को सीखना है is what I am coming to. Okay. See, I, after spending X amount of years, I have come to a conclusion कि I need to save time and मुझे हर चीज को simplify करते जाना है. So this essentially is not a webinar for workflows, but this is a webinar कि workflow का workflow कैसे बनाते हैं. Okay, this is not about मैंने लिखा था वहाँ पे email marketing and all those things, but we will do that. But the main takeaway which I want you guys to understand is कोई भी चीज है उसका workflow आप कैसे बना सकते हो over a period of time. So let's see that. There's a simple, there's a very simple slide, and that slide के ऊपर is what we will be working today, and we will be creating all these workflows. Okay. So this is the only formula, or this is the only slide I would want you guys to take a screenshot and keep, जिसके through सारे workflows बनेंगे. Okay. If you guys understand, we need to always strategize. Okay. Before doing any step, you take a email. आपको email marketing करना है, but email marketing से पहले आपको strategize करना पड़ेगा कि email marketing किन के लिए करना है. Okay. Similarly, you want to then start thinking about, once you understand कि I want to market to these guys, then you start creating your emailer. Okay. Creation में there are few parts which will come and we'll isolate them. But then the next part is review. Okay. आपको जो भी create किया है उसको review करना बहुत जरूरी है. Okay, we'll see why exactly that is required. And then the next part is obviously review हो गया, सब सही है, and you start distributing, you start sending emails, then you need to analyze the performance, and finally you have to repeat it. Okay. So how is this the Maggie formula? This is the Maggie formula because in a way कि पहले strategize is nothing else but the need. I am hungry. Okay. Creation is nothing else but आपने मैगी नूडल्स का पैकेट लिया, you followed the steps and you created it. Okay. रिव्यू आप जब क्रिएट कर रहे हो तभी आप रिव्यू करोगे, अरे पानी में पानी सही बॉईल हुआ क्या, ओके, इज द नूडल वेरी सूपी और इज इट प्रॉपरली, इज द वाटर इवेपोरेटेड, ये आप रिव्यू करते हो। डिस्ट्रीब्यूट, अगर आप अकेले नहीं हो, आपके साथ और भी लोग हैं खाने वाले, then you will distribute Maggie into 1 or 2 parts. Okay. You, while eating, obviously there might be a review. You will start analyzing it. कि अरे यार इस बार है ना पानी ज्यादा हो गया, या इस बार नेक्स्ट टाइम जो है ना इसमें चीज डालते हैं, एग्जाम्पल, एंड देन whenever it is, you might repeat the process. So this is the only formula which I want all of you guys to understand, okay, when it comes to this. And now what we'll do is we'll start creating workflows together, so that will basically create a very proper picture in your mind of how exactly workflows need to be. Okay, 1 second, let me just change the color. So this is our formula. What we'll do with this formula is we'll keep it on the side so that we can refer to it. Okay, let's start creating our first workflow, and that particular workflow is for a email. Okay, now every organization wants to send emails. Why do people want to send emails, and why email is still powerful than any form of marketing, okay, to a certain extent, is because email directly एक personal inbox में जा रहा है. It's not costing you much. It's a very cost effective way of marketing. Okay, emails can be sent as low as 20-30 paisa per email, which is nothing. Even lesser than that, 10 पैसा 5 पैसा इतना भी होता है अगर आपके पास वॉल्यूम है तो. Okay, so email marketing is amazing because you already have captured leads, let's say through ads or maybe past data, या फिर आपके पास कोई database है, and you now want to send them an offer, or you want to tell them about your business. Okay, so what you first need to do is you need to strategize, as we said, right? Now strategize के case में, what will you strategize? You first need to understand, okay, कि who are you sending, या who is your target audience. Okay, say for example, if you are a business that is dealing with let's say 24 to 30 age group ke people, these people are normally into jobs. So are these people working? Okay, are these people independent? Similarly, you might have some other information like what exactly your product is. Around your product, you need to think of demograph. Uh, do you want to market to a housewife? Then it's important to bifurcate your email list and actually get the housewife ka data. आपके कितने, how many of your you can say emailers or email contacts are housewives? You need to isolate that data, and that can be isolated through surveys and all those things, right? So it totally depends on who your target audience is, because उसके हिसाब से आपका अगला प्रोसेस चेंज होगा. Okay, so who is your target audience? This is something you need to strategize. You need to decide time of sending the email. Okay, this is again very important because यहाँ पे आपके पास एक timeline आप set करोगे which your team needs to abide by. If you don't set this in the start, people will not put an end to this particular exercise. आपको email के लिए एक strictly like create a schedule for this. Like, to be honest, emails should be sent at least from any company or a brand once in 15 days minimum. बिकॉज उतना माइंड स्पेस आपको पकड़ना पड़ेगा किसी के inbox में, otherwise you will not have any relevance in their life. So to market to people, why we send email, it's also give awareness फैलता है, that is one part, but also be part of their circle. Okay, so time कब ये भेजना है ये आपको डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा. Similarly, other things I am thinking थोड़ी बहुत डिसाइडेड पहले से है कि अगर आप कोई मार्केटिंग टूल यूज कर रहे हो जैसे Mailchimp or something, then you would have already thought about that. So I'm not putting those in because this is not first time आप email बना रहे हो. This is continuous loop में अपने को करना है. So that I'm thinking that is the problem which has been solved. Okay. The next thing what we need is we need to create an email. Okay. Now, to create an emailer, one of the first things you need is a template layout of an email. Now, you need to think of it Hamesha, because if you remember how much work is required over here, you want to make this as simple as possible. Okay, so that's why we use templates. Now, templates के case में क्या होगा? If you know you are sending a newsletter, okay, so if you just search for email newsletter templates, you will get a lot of data already. Okay, what you need to do is you need to select one for your brand and keep it consistent. So because of that, what will happen is your and consistency in terms of brand communication will be established. People will understand your brand and people will relate to it. Okay, so this is something which is very much required in terms of creating a brand presence. So again, ये template layout I am thinking you would have picked up. Okay, then you need to share this with your designer, okay, and content writer. Share it with both the people, okay, because both the people should know. डिजाइनर के थ्रू आपको इमेजेस चाहिए, कंटेंट राइटर के थ्रू आपको कंटेंट चाहिए जो ईमेल का है. ओके, कंटेंट राइटर के केस में they will work on this and they will give you the content. Okay, they will give you some text maybe on Google Docs or something that can be forwarded to the designer, and then they will share the template with you. Okay, the next part to this would be setting up the same in Mailchimp already. So I'm taking into account you are using tools because that will simplify this whole thing. You cannot do email marketing on Gmail using Gmail account. You can do it, but it's not recommended. You have to have the intention कि आप ऐसे करो जहाँ पे आपका टाइम कम से कम जाए और आप कंटिन्यूसली वो रिपीट कर पाओगे. एक बार आपने टेम्पलेट बना दिया आपका Mailchimp पे, okay, you will be able to reuse it again and again and again. And over a period of time, what will happen? Your designer and content writer will understand ये तो काम बड़ा simple है, and they will give you content फटाफट. Okay, that's what you need. So this is how you can actually create this whole thing, and you then need to come to review. Review is nothing else but send test mails. Okay, test karo mails, send, make this a process wherein you actually send these test mails to at least 2 or 3 of your inner people, your team members, so that now in case you're a one man army, what you could do is you could send it to the designer, you could send it to the content writer and ask them to check it. You also check it on various things. So test it on mobile, test it on laptop. इससे क्या होगा, आप जब देखोगे आपको समझ में आएगा कि कुछ चीजें मिस आउट हो गई थी which you can fix. Okay, so I would hope कि you would revise some of the things, revise or correct. Okay, and once you are done with that, what you could do is you could go to the next part, which is distribution. Distribution is nothing else but hitting the send button on the database. Now, spelling out the database or filtering out the database is a step which I am assuming कि आपके पास एक बार आपने किया है and you already have the database verified in your MailChimp. So I'm not spending time on that. Okay, it's a very simple process. It's nothing complicated. आपको एक basically एक spreadsheet रहेगा. Okay, if you guys are thinking what is a email database, let's even just see that. ओके सो ईमेल डेटाबेस और कुछ भी नहीं होता है जो ये सारे लोग बात करते रहते हैं. इट्स नथिंग एल्स बट अ स्प्रेडशीट and it has all the information which you need. So information like name, address, telephone number, XYZ. For email, you just need name and number, a name and email ID. That's it. You don't need number or anything. So आपका जो Mailchimp या कोई भी email service में that database will be a simple spreadsheet which will be uploaded, which will just have the name, okay, first name, last name, and the email ID. That is it. So you just need to, and once it's uploaded, it is uploaded. You can then just keep on updating it as and when. Okay. Now you send in you hit the send button. The next part which you will do is you will start analyzing it. Now you cannot analyze it on the first day. So because आपने भेजा, immediately people are not going to check it out. And if you have, let's say, 3,000, 4,000 people, okay, on email, yeah, when you hit send, it will take few hours to send across. Okay, it will show you that it is in process and it will start sending it, but it will not send it immediately. It's not lightning fast. So what I would basically tell you is analyze this, analyze your open. So what do you want to analyze? You want to analyze how many emails were sent. Okay. Then how many were opened? How many bounced? How many clicked on some unique link? Okay. So ये click through rate होता है. So we want to understand कि कितने लोगों ने आपके email के अंदर कोई link को click किया. So these are the important metrics that we need, and this step needs to be done at least after 2 or 3 days. ओके 2 से 3 दिन बाद आप देखिए तो आपको करेक्ट उसका आइडिया लगेगा. ओके देन what you need to do is you need to analyze, you need to gauge, and you need to develop insights out of this. Basically when you have sent this across, have people received it and they have clicked, like let's say for example आपने कोई offer दिया, so have people actually taken that offer and clicked on it is a very important thing, right? If you just give them information, there is no point कि जहाँ पे वो लोग क्लिक करेंगे. So आपके लिए क्लिक्स वहां पे मैटर नहीं करते. जो मैटर तभी करेगा वो है इंफॉर्मेशन के केस में सिर्फ ओपन कितने लोगों ने किया है. But now when you have given them an offer, you want to check out if they have actually clicked on something, if they have bought in that offer or not. So then you can develop insights. Insights can be simple. Insights can be as simple as अगर आप ये हर वीक करोगे, you will have insights, comparative reports per week, right? So insights will be based on past performance. लास्ट टाइम इतने लोगों ने क्लिक किया, अभी इतने लोगों ने किया, तो आपको उसका रीजन ढूंढना पड़ेगा. रीजन कैन बी एनीथिंग. इट कैन बी कि योर ईमेल का लुक वाज नॉट गुड, या there was a holiday which came in, like say for example during the last week of December, especially from Christmas onwards, right? December say it's a lull period for marketing. If we send emails, we have consistently seen over the last few years ki ड्यूरिंग 20th December से लेके फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जैन तक कुछ रिस्पॉन्स नहीं रहता है. पीपल डू नॉट ओपन देयर ईमेल्स एज मच. Okay, or else if they open, they do not take actions. So this is an insight which we have actually understood ki kitna people are forming. Narendra is asking, can you share these Google Sheets? Narendra, what I will do is I will create a PDF of this and I will share that, so that I think that would be useful, right? Or if you want, I will share this Google Sheet, this drawing also, not a problem. Okay, let's just say workflows part one. Okay, just remind me at the end of it, and at the end of our session, and I will make sure to share this with all you guys who have attended this webinar. Okay, so this is how now we have got a workflow. If you think of it, repeat is the same process, right? The next week आपको same चीज करना है. So how many of you guys now actually understand email marketing? कितने लोगों के लिए ये वर्कफ्लो सिंपल हो गया? इफ दिस इज सिंपल फॉर यू, just type me and just send it in the chat. Awesome, I can see a few guys saying. What about the other guys who are not saying me? Are you guys having doubts? Because this is the time to actually solve them also, right? Guys, एक rule है, if you guys have doubts, please voice it. Please let me know what doubts you have and we can solve it right now. Okay, do not think ki some any of your question is stupid or something. Just feel free and ask. Narendra is asking any particular time. So Narendra, it's not fixed as such, but you know how people think of this. If it is a corporate and if you are sending it to corporate clients, then people generally लोग ऐसे सोचते हैं कि people are going to open their inboxes in the morning. So it's better to actually send it across to people in the morning, and preferably not Mondays or Fridays, because Monday ko banda aaya hai kaam pe after a break and they already have certain emergencies of their own. Okay. Similarly, Fridays nahi, because Friday is the last day, people are trying to wind up stuff. So they will not be in the mindset to open something new. So ideally, it is said industry-wide that Tuesdays and Thursdays are better in terms of sending emails. Okay, so this is one of the, you can say, days. I can tell you, time totally depends on what you, who are you reaching out to. Let's say, for example, if I am reaching out to a database of housewives, I will try to reach out to them during chai time. So I would try to send my emails around 1, 2 o'clock so that it reaches them maybe across at 4 or something. Okay. So we need to think of it. That's where strategy comes in. कि if you want to decide, कॉर्पोरेट में आपका क्लाइंट है तो आपको ट्यूसडेज थर्सडेज को आप भेज सकते हो, सुबह सुबह भेजोगे शायद से अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स. एंड व्हाट आई वुड से इज ट्राई आउट डिफरेंट थिंग्स. If you, because none of these ideas are true for all the businesses. Okay, it depends from one business to another. So if your business requires you to send email at evening 6 p.m. and it's working for you, great. But how will you find out? By sending it at that time. So you will keep on, it's a good question that you asked. You need to keep on changing your strategy a little bit here and there so that you get different measurements. आपको अलग measurement मिलेंगे and you will be able to test it. You'll be able to analyze it further. Okay, what is working, what is not working. So with this, email marketing ka workflow is done. Okay, if you guys have any other questions, feel free to ask. I am more than happy to solve it for you guys. Okay, let's park this at the side. Let's get on to another strategy or another workflow. ओके, ईमेल हो गया, ईमेल को चेंज करते हैं सिर्फ एंड इवेंट कर देते हैं. ओके, आपको इवेंट मार्केट करना है. ओके, नाउ बिकॉज we have gone through one of these you can say workflows, we already have some data to play around with. So if we have some data to play around with, automatically we have got leverage in terms of ye workflow, event ka workflow फटाफट होगा. Okay, let's make this happen. Event के लिए we need to strategize who is the target audience. We need to decide um, what kind of event it is. Okay, is it, so let's consider it's a digital event, so it's a webinar. Okay, simple, because I think in today's world everyone should understand basically कि webinars कैसे host करने हैं, कैसे execute करने हैं, because that is one you can say that is one kind of a very strong message that you can send to your community, and you can position yourself as an authority when you say कि you are doing a webinar. Okay, so I think doing webinars, doing live sessions is a must today. So let's imagine कि एक webinar अपने को बनाना है. Okay, so the event is a webinar. The event is, now for a webinar, what do we want to create? Okay, for a webinar we basically need to have a agenda. Okay, we need to have a agenda. That means we need to have topic, what we will be covering in that particular thing, and we need to also have a pitch deck or a deck. Okay, एक पीपीटी सिंपल एक रहेगा आपके पास, जैसे मैं यूज करता हूँ. इट वुड बी ग्रेट. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपके पास डेक होना चाहिए. यू वांट टू आल्सो क्रिएट ads for this particular webinar, because how will people know, right? You need to create ads, you need to create social posts. सोशल मीडिया पे आपको ये डालना होगा. यू नीड टू हैव जूम जूम अकाउंट आपके पास चाहिए, एंड आपको जूम अकाउंट को वेबिनार के लिए एक्टिवेट करना है. एंड जूम अकाउंट के ऊपर यू विल क्रिएट अ लैंडिंग पेज और द रजिस्ट्रेशन पेज ऑटोमेटिकली. This Zoom handles for you. You don't need to do anything. Okay, you guys must have seen. Let me just take you. I think where you guys have all registered, right? So that is that particular account. So if you see right now webinars, this is the backend. You see all these webinars have already been established. Okay, so this is the current webinar that we are taking, and this is where you guys must have come and you guys must have registered. So I get all the data कि कितने लोगों ने रजिस्टर किया है, कहाँ से किया है, ईमेल भेजना है तो क्या ईमेल भेजना है, ये सारी चीजें जो है यहाँ से हो जाती है. So basically what you need is a webinar का package, that is Zoom, and you need to create a registration page. You need to create some email copy, very basic. Okay, एंड ये ईमेल कॉपी और ये सारी चीजें आपको वेबिनार के लिए, सी इट्स अ एवरीथिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड you need to understand is nothing is original. How we need to work is we need to pick up stuff and create it. So if I just go online, okay, and I just search for webinar email template, there are 14 webinar invitation examples. Okay, so what do you need to include? ये लोग ने सब कुछ दे दिए, एंड ये लोग ने एक्चुअली ये रहा, ये सिंपल सा एक ईमेल है जो जा सकता है, एंड दैट इज इट. देयर इज नथिंग मोर देन दिस व्हिच इज रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड ओवर हियर इज ब्रांड नेम, नेम ऑफ द वेबिनार, उसका एक सबटाइटल, register button, all those things. While you're building a KICAS, so this is the explanation synopsis, and will you attend? Yes, no. Again, registration ke liye, this is one idea. Okay. Narendra is asking any way to automate SMS reminder before 1 hour or 10 minutes. We can do that, Narendra, but we need to have certain, you can say, panels in terms of SMS and all. So it is possible using Zapier. You can also use something known as Twilio. Okay, Twilio is basically used for SMS. It's a API for SMS. So if you connect Twilio with Zoom, and there is Twilio and Zoom integration, okay, so you can actually set up a trigger on Zapier, and this will happen. So it is possible. Everything is possible actually. ठीक है. सो ये सारी चीजें आपको चाहिए रहेगी. जूम अकाउंट, उस पे एक बार एक पेज बनाना है, ईमेल कॉपी बनाना है, एंड आई विल टेल यू, हमेशा वो आपका जो ईमेल कॉपी रहेगा वो वही होने वाला है. आपको एक बार बनाना है, दैट्स इट. सो यू डोंट नीड अ कंटेंट राइटर एवरी टाइम. यू जस्ट नीड वन टाइम. आपको शायद से कंटेंट राइटर चाहिए रहेगा इफ यू कैन नॉट डू इट ऑन योर ओन, एंड यू कैन आस्क देम टू क्रिएट इट इन सच अ वे कि दे गिव यू द फिल इन द ब्लैंक फॉर्मेट में, wherein fill in the blank में आपका वेबिनार का टाइटल आ जाना चाहिए. टेल देम दैट, टेल देम कि मुझे एक टेम्पलेट फॉर्मेट में दे देना. ओके, डू नॉट मेक इट वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज वी नीड टू क्रिएट एन एजेंडा, वी नीड टू क्रिएट अ टॉपिक. टॉपिक के साथ साथ पिच डेक होना चाहिए. वी नीड टू क्रिएट एड्स, सोशल पोस्ट, जूम अकाउंट. ये सारी चीजें अपने पास है क्रिएशन के लिए, एंड यही सारी चीजें अपने को रिव्यू भी करनी पड़ेगी. ओके, सो इफ यू थिंक ऑफ रिव्यू, व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज you need to review first of all the pitch deck, the deck. Okay, review the landing page, register on the landing page, and check whether you are receiving the email or not. Okay, then you can check the email, क्योंकि आपने register किया तो आपको email भी आ गया. So you can actually check, evaluate email. Okay, and finally check the webinar platform. In Zoom you have this option wherein you can test it out. If you are a first time user, तो आपको एक environment देता है जहाँ पे आप check कर सकते हो. आप खुद भी कर सकते हो. आप एक test, do a dummy test for webinar with friends. So if you are a first time user, this is important. Otherwise, like, I have done it maybe once or twice with my team in this whole time, but then now I just get onto it. Like, जब भी event है, I just come online and I just start taking the webinar live. I don't do a dummy test anymore. Okay, distribution. What you need to do is you need to send email. जो है distribution automatically हो रहा है. If you think of it, right? Email is going automatically because people are registering on Zoom. Now, what you need to do is you need to do ads and you need to do social media posts. So social media posts और ये सारी चीजों के लिए भी आपको review करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so you need to review the ads and social media का posts. Correct? Finally, distribute आप करोगे ये सारी चीजें online. So this is where now, because this is getting little complicated if you understand from email marketing, because here there are 2-3 more things involved. You will need few people. You'll need someone for social media. Okay, yeah, you will need to so I'm just writing social media specialist. You will need either a social media specialist, or else you will need to isolate that topic. Like, you will have to specifically take some amount of time and work on that particular part. कंटेंट राइटर चाहिए रहेगा, मार्केटर इज अ लॉन्ग थिंग, कंटेंट राइटर आपको चाहिए रहेगा. बट आई वुड अगेन रिकमेंड, अगर आप खुद कर रहे हो ये वेबिनार, देन यू योरसेल्फ डू दिस. ओके, दिस अगेन जूम का जो है, दिस द सोशल मीडिया स्पेशलिस्ट को आप बोल सकते हो, वो कर लेंगे. यू डोंट नीड एनीथिंग मच ओवर हियर. डेक आपका, ये सब रिव्यू आपको खुद ही करना है आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ. ईमेल अपने आप जा रहा है. एड्स और सोशल मीडिया, आप भी, ये सोशल मीडिया स्पेशलिस्ट कर रहा है, राइट? सो इफ यू सी, कंटेंट राइटर का रोल खत्म हो जाता है एक हद के बाद. योर एड सोशल, ये यहाँ पे भी मैं कंटेंट राइटर लिखता हूँ, ओके, along with social media specialist, because they both will be required out here at one step. That's it. Okay. Finally, we are on the distribution. Distribution ho gaya. Now, what you need to understand is how many registrations we got. Okay, ye analysis can happen on the day of the webinar itself. How many registrations we got? How many visitors we got? Okay, so you might see people visit your landing page, but people don't register. So that means आपका visitor count will be higher than actually the registration count. So that is one part which you will require to understand. You need to understand social media के लिए basic engagement, reach, ये सारी चीजें जो है, reach and engagement, that's the, and clicks. These are the three things which you need to understand on social media. कितने लोगों तक पहुंचे, ओके, जिसमें से कितने लोगों ने एंगेज किया, जिसमें से कितने लोगों ने क्लिक किया. So not all those who engage actually click on the link, but people who engage might just maybe like the post, they might not be registering. So, but you know it for a point that they like the post, that means something is right. And then you need to start evaluating ki what did work, what didn't work. Okay. Similarly, distribution ke case mein, one more thing which I would say is communities is very important. It's very important to reach out to communities who are in your space. Like say for example, right now, uh, when we are talking about digital marketing is very wide. If we were to get, like we actually formed an alliance with All About Marketing. Okay, so what we do is whenever we organize a webinar, we reach out to them and we tell them, ki, can you please take this forward and present it to your community, and which they do. And through them, we get registrations onto our webinar. Okay, so this is very important to understand ki communities are a great outreach program. Okay, jahan pe we need to identify and reach out to these guys. And this is the only way in which you can get crazy amount of performance. Like ad se bhi zyada performance aapko aa sakta hai agar aap communities ko reach karo. Why? Because communities are formed of people who are interested in that particular person, who trust that particular person. Okay, so All About Marketing is trusted by a lot of people. So when All About Marketing puts my webinar out there, then people trust my webinar automatically. So that's the play in which we need to think about these things. Okay, and we need to come up with insights which will be on past performance. So this is your event marketing ka workflow. Okay, इसमें हर एक चीज अभी आई वुड गो इनटू फ्यू थिंग्स लाइक सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट या समथिंग कंटेंट का जब मैं कवर करूंगा, दैट टाइम यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि इंडिविजुअली टू क्रिएट अ सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट कितना काम है. Okay, because this is the entire workflow of the entire event. Okay, but individually social media, अगर आप social media content create कर रहे हो, तो अब आपको क्या करना चाहिए, we will see that also in some time. So is the event marketing bit clear to you guys? And the next time ka, actually this is part one, and part one mein I'm dealing with properties like email, website and event. But next time I will be dealing with mostly content agar aapko karna hai, because you need to understand this part. These are properties: website, social media, ads, events. But content is the main fuel which needs to go there, right? And that is where a lot of workflows also come in, especially for content. So this is regarding event marketing. So how many of you are confident in terms of starting your own webinar? Because this is the recipe to do that. This is the recipe of actually starting your own webinar. Okay, let me just position this somewhere. So, guys, any doubts whatsoever, please feel free to ask at this moment. Would really help. Awesome. And I'm just about done with this. What's the deck? Okay. Deck is nothing else but your PowerPoint presentation, right? So basically आपके पास कोई मुद्दा रहना चाहिए बात करने का. It's basically, this is like, this is right now what I am using for my presentation at this moment. Correct. So you need to have a flow of that entire thing. कि how are you going to come from point A to point B? Like मुझे marketing workflows आपको सिखाने थे, but मुझे उसके लिए I wanted to give you an example कि you guys already know workflows, right? So I wanted to build that confidence in you guys, and that's why Maggie ka example and education system ka example and exercise ka example. So you need to, each and every one, like you will have your own weird way of explaining things, right? I have this way of explaining things. So a lot of people are there with their unique ways of explanations. So that's where you need to show that, put it in a deck. Okay, I hope that's clear, Harshita. Cool, cool. So let me tell you one thing. You asked a question which is very relevant. The deck is the single most thing जहाँ पे आपका time सबसे पहले और सबसे ज़्यादा जाएगा. Okay, when you are doing a webinar, to come to the topic, because you need to understand public speaking is something people are scared about. Okay, and when you will think of it right now, आपको शायद से लग रहा होगा कि अरे इसे presentation नहीं बनाना है. But how do you communicate your ideas, and how do you actually communicate it in such a way that people actually understand it? That's the problem we face when we start thinking about a deck, or when we start thinking about a webinar. And that's the point which you will spend maybe most of your time in. Okay, and you will have to come up with some crazy flow of your own to actually get over that. So that's actually a very important question which you asked. So thank you for that. Okay. The last thing which I want to cover today is website updates. Now, what happens is, लोग generally वेबसाइट बनाते हैं, और वेबसाइट आजकल कैसा हो गया है, एक बिजनेस कार्ड की तरह हो गया है. So we create our websites, but we don't use them that much. Okay, we just want it initially. I don't know, whenever, like, ask any business person, right? Initially when they start a business, they say I want a website, I want a business card. But once you get that printed, we do not use it. Okay, we do not use it. People end up using it, as Narendra also is saying, ki people use it as a visiting card. एंड व्हाट हैपेंस इज, हाँ आप वेबसाइट पे जाइए, बट वेबसाइट पे जाइए, बट वो बच्चा हो गया है जिसके ऊपर अपन ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं. Okay, so most of the websites are not updated. Most of the websites today you will see do not have latest information, and this is something which you need to understand. uh, Google does not like this. Google will rank कि ये वेबसाइट पे ध्यान नहीं दे रहे बिकॉज वेबसाइट इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, यानी वेबसाइट पुराना हो गया है, तो उसका रैंकिंग डाउन हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट गूगल appreciates is when you keep on updating your website with content, with technology as such. So this is something which we need to keep in mind when we start thinking of website. So one of the main reasons for updating a website is obviously SEO. Okay. The other main reason which you might have for updating your website is to create a landing page. And this particular landing page is nothing else but आपका एक बहुत specific offer है और आपको वो offer market को दिखाना है. So that particular offer you put it across on a landing page, right? So that when people land, they won't be confused with multiple, kind of propositions and all those things. They just see one very focused approach. Okay, if you're talking to me about social media, you will just talk to me about social media over there. That's it. And that's a landing page. And landing page ka intention for a business is normally to capture emails, right? So landing pages are going to be important. The next part would be email subscriptions. Now, you need to understand all of these are strategies which I am telling you. So, when I say strategies, they are all leading towards two main things. One is traffic. SEO से traffic आएगा. लैंडिंग पेज से आप एड चलाओगे और एड चलाने के बाद उसका एंड डेस्टिनेशन लैंडिंग पेज है. So again, traffic is coming over there, and this traffic you want them to take an action, and one of the main actions is email subscription, so that you can get their email and you can start sending them emailers. So if you see email subscription यहाँ पे हुआ, and then you attach the workflow of email marketing, you have got two workflows running for you. Okay, if you use that email and send them a event marketing, yeah, event ka invite, then you got three workflows working for you. So this is mainly, let's consider this is our main need for a website update in terms of SEO, landing page and email subscription. And last मैं ऐसे भी लिखता हूँ offer or new products. Okay, new products लिखते हैं. We keep on need to re-innovate, something or the other, and we need to introduce maybe new products. So these are four things which we want to do. Now, to do this, what is required? For SEO, what you require is content. Okay. Now, one of the first question is content. Kaisa content? Blog content. You require content, blogs. You might require videos. You might require pages. Okay. Like pages. When I'm saying SEO ke point of view, say what I mean is, uh, it's not only blogs are not the way to generate SEO. You can also generate SEO, or you can also optimize your website by creating newer pages which are going to put you as an authority. Now, the intention of SEO is you want to optimize your website for search engine. So, how does the search engine verify your website? It has spiders or trackers which it shoots on your website, and they go through your entire website. Text के through जाते हैं, वीडियो के थ्रू जाएंगे, and they understand कि okay, this is what this website is all about. Okay, and there is a lot of AI and everything mixed into it. So imagine if you create a book or a page which is going to be about a particular topic or niche instead of a blog. Like, let's say for example, we are right now talking about marketing workflows, and
मार्केटिंग वर्कफ्लो का मैं एक स्पेसिफिक पेज बना देता हूँ इंस्टेड ऑफ अ ब्लॉग. Okay, and I start putting everything related to a workflow over there. Then over a period of time, Google will start ranking me for marketing workflows as an expert. So why I'm saying this is it's not a blog, it's a page. Okay, a blog is a same format में आप जो है articles डालते जा रहे हो. A page is a property which you are trying to create on your own, which is which is independent of the blog. सो कंटेंट आप क्रिएट कर सकते हो. लैंडिंग पेजेस के लिए भी आपको कंटेंट ही चाहिए रहेगा. ओके, नथिंग एल्स बट दैट. सो यू विल हैव टू क्रिएट अ लैंडिंग पेज. ईमेल सब्सक्रिप्शन के लिए यू विल हैव टू क्रिएट अ पॉपअप or a form, or you will have to have a offer. Bait, you need a bait. Bait is nothing else but a freebie or something which you barter for an email ID. So imagine right now it is 2021, and if I were to put up top marketing workflows 2021 formula, या फिर Narendra asked me for this particular sheet, and what I do is I will give the sheet to you guys uh, in exchange of your email IDs, and that's what he said कि मुझे email पे आप भेज दो, आप share करो. So you guys are doing a barter with me right now. I have something which you guys require, and I will share it with you guys if you give me your email ID. That's it, as simple as that. So एक beat चाहिए रहेगा. These are all things which are easily, you know, it can be sourced out from the net. You don't need to even create it at times, but if you create it, you will have better advantage because वो आपका brand का रहेगा, and it will be your research. No one else can replicate. Okay, so pop-ups, forms, and bait. This is the you can say sequence, or this is the formula that you need to have on your website. Creating new products. So new products के लिए pages ही बनाने होंगे. That's okay. So this is what normally we do. Other things which we do is banners. Okay, on a website. We want to put attention from one, uh, like from the home page to other pages. So we can create a banner. We can also put banners in between of blogs. So if we look at this, let's go to a website, for example. So this guy is, I follow him from many years. He's a podcaster, and I really love his podcast. So if you see, this is his banner. Will you be 1% better today? And if I click on this, immediately it asks me for my email ID. Okay, so this is a good way of having a banner with a email capture mechanism. Okay, and the moment I will give him my email, he will send me something. Okay, now let's go to one of his blogs. So let's say we go here, and if you see in his blog, he also has these banners. Side में बहुत सारे banners है. Here you are seeing some other things. You saw a pop-up which came out on the left side. See this. This is also a banner which is there. See, as we go ekdam niche, we get this pop-up which is for his newsletter. So it's crazy. Like his site is optimized for all of this what we are talking about, right? So we need a pop-up which we have already mentioned, right? So similarly, we need banners also. So ये continuously आपको update करना पड़ेगा. Banners अगर आपको update करने हैं, I would say at least do it once a month minimum. Okay, to start with. Once a month, if you update your banners, that would be great. रिव्यू अभी इसमें क्या करोगे? आपको रिव्यू जो करना होगा वो है ब्लॉग्स, वीडियो. पेज एक बार लाइव हो जाता है. ओके, वंस द पेज इज बिफोर गोइंग लाइव, check the pages. Okay, check any page. Like if you have put the blog, check the blog, check the video अगर perform ठीक से कर रहा है, pop up ठीक से कर रहा है. You will have to check all of those things. You will have to check the form. Okay, enter. How do you check it? Enter your email and see if it is working. Okay, so check all of these things out so that you can be sure before it goes live. And if there is any change, then you just need to revise, okay, and get it to perfection. Finally, distribution, ye case mein, it is nothing else but it is going live. You just need to simply go live on your website after the test, and that is it. Analyze, what you need to analyze is traffic data, how many people are visiting, how many email subs are we getting, okay, how many bounces are we getting, how many people are just coming to your page and bouncing off. So this particular email like page bounce will be maybe somewhere around 40% tak agar hai, it is okay. Okay, if it is more than that, you need to start taking some steps to reduce it. So these are few things which you need to do for a website when it comes to updating a website. So when people tell you कि website update करना है, normally people don't understand. People just think कि banner update करेंगे, and people just think कि maybe एक form बना दिया, that's it. But actually speaking, there is all of these things when it comes to a website update, and this is where it takes time and it takes effort from people. Who are the people you would require? You would require maybe a developer. So maybe WordPress अगर use कर रहे हो, which is the most popular, you can say CMS in terms of a website, then you need a WordPress developer who will actually create your website and who will maintain it. You might need someone to actually develop it, and you might need someone to develop the creatives. So a graphic designer for the banners and everything. Okay. For the pop-up bit, again, आपका developer ये कर पाएगा. There are plugins also which are available which do all these things. So even if, let's say, you do not have a developer, there are simpler ways. Like, say for example, there is a solution called Unbounce, and Unbounce is a easy to use solution which can be used by anyone. You don't need to be a developer to use this, but you can create landing pages, pop-ups, and sticky bars all by yourself. आपको सिर्फ एक बार कॉन्फ़िगर करना पड़ेगा, and which is again simple. So if you see pop-ups, these are the pop-ups. So these kind of pop-ups you can actually create, and you can actually set this out so people can easily create this and check it out. Even if you see on your website, upper, if you want something like this can be done. So it's a very simple interface which can be used. So again, developer यहाँ पे नहीं चाहिए रहेगा. You can do it all by yourself. Okay. And once you understand your website in terms of its developed, you can ask your developer to do a training for you for updating the blogs and the banners, and that is it. ये आप खुद से भी कर सकते हो या फिर एक intern रख सकते हो. Get the intern to update it. That's it. Just teach them once and they will do it for sure. What you need to spend your time to do is you need to start thinking about new products. You need to start thinking about what do you want to promote through landing pages, and you need to start looking at the data, which is traffic, email subs, and the bounce. आपको ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है कि ट्रैफिक कहाँ पे आ रहा है. आपने कोई नए ब्लॉग्स डाले, वहां पे आर पीपल विजिटिंग, इज दैट हेल्पिंग यू, एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. आपको स्ट्रैटेजी चेंज करते जाना पड़ेगा. Okay, so this is where we are in terms of website updates and all those things. I will delete this one guy. So, any questions, guys? I hope this was simple enough to understand. If there are any questions, I'll be more than happy to help. Any other landing page tool? There are quite a lot of landing page tools. There is Swipe Pages. Insta Page is also there. Swipe Page is also there. So this is again, and most of them are, on the same level in terms of each other. Everything is easy to use. You do not need developers out here. आपको account create करना है and you will be able to create this. Insta Page is also something which people use quite a lot. And tools are okay. I would say check out which one works for you, test out few of them, and आपका एक comfort level बनेगा. So you will understand कि okay, this is the tool which I would like to use. Okay. Any other questions, guys? So with this, we are more or less done with today's session. Next time, what I will be covering is more of content workflows. Okay, like what goes into writing maybe a blog, what goes into writing maybe a email. Okay, how does a content writer actually take care of these things? Now, why you need to understand these things is आपको शायद से ये काम नहीं करना है is completely understood, but if you know what work to get done from people, okay, that's the number one advantage that you can have over anyone else. If you're a business owner, or if you're a brand, or if you're working on your own personal brand, and you're trying to get some traction in the digital marketing space, it's not important to know all of this by yourself, but it's important to know एक चीज कैसे करनी है, so that you can guide the people who are going to do the actual work for you. Okay, so this is where, and it is simple, but what gets complicated is if you see these workflows, there are a lot of moving parts to this. Okay, like if you want to do a webinar, all of these things need to work for you to be enabled to do it. If you want to send an email, then you need to go through these exercises. Now, where do you, one of the things which I want to talk about is I'm using Google Drawings right now. If you see, right, Google Drawings pay, what is happening is I have created all of these things, all of the entire workflow. But I would say you need a project management tool, something like Trello. Okay. And Trello Pay, what you can do is this is a visual project management tool. So you can actually create a particular board which will help you to manage that data properly. So let's go to something. Okay. So what I would do is after I have got all this data with me, right? I will simplify it further by creating a board, let's say for event marketing. So let's name this board event marketing. Okay. And how I will go about this whole part is I would create, strategize, create, review, distribution, analyze. ये सारे list बनाऊंगा. So strategize, okay, create, review, analyze. What was that? Distribution, distribute. So I'm making this very simple for you guys, so that you guys, when you look at it, it's not as scrambled as how we are seeing it. So strategy mein, we need these three things. Okay. So what I can do is I can just copy these three things. I can add a card, and once I click, it tells me kitne cards banane hain. Then I can just say theme. So I made these three cards. So what kind of event it is, वो webinar है, वो उसका answer था. So who is your target audience and what kind of event? These two answers we have to give. That's it. Okay. Similarly, create में what we want to create. Let's just put this. नहीं, ठीक क्या हो रहा है? I think copy नहीं हुआ. So just copy this. Okay. And you can say create 6 cards. Now in this 6 cards, if you see Zoom account, and Zoom account ke andar, actually the other checklist comes in, that is the registration page and set up emails. So if you see, what I'm doing now is I'm creating these boards, and these I've created a board called event marketing, and uske andar sab kuch ek ek karke de diya. So I've got an agenda which I want to create. Then I have got topic pitch deck banane ka hai. So I know ye creation ka hai. Okay, I'll show you one fun thing with this. Just bear with me for a moment. So this is all review. Create 6 cards. It's not copying when I'm doing it the first time for some reason. Anyways, manually करता है. Okay. Okay. Create के बाद review आएगा, फिर distribute. Distribute कहाँ पे करना है वो भी है. So I can pick this up and I can just paste it here. And with this, what we have actually done is we not only created our Google drawing to use to do a brainstorm, we actually started then creating a final board which can be then assigned. Now, what I can do here is, instead of, so Narendra, can you give me your email ID, please? So what I have done is I have got this Synclarity webinar ka workflows. Now, instead of sharing that sheet with you guys, I can directly invite you guys out here. Okay. So what I would do is, you guys have all of these things. आपको event marketing का यहाँ पे पूरा data मिल गया. Okay. Now, how this would work is, I would just give you an example. I'm just inviting one of my team members. So let's say if I have invited someone, right? I can then, and let's consider Parag is my content creator. So I want him to create my social media post. So what I will do is I will just assign him this particular thing. Okay. So that now he knows he is going to be the one who has to create this. Similarly, he's over here, a content writer and a social media specialist. I'll also ask him to distribute. So I will put him here also. and I can write some details out here. Uh, use this as a trigger to start distributing the reviewed content online on our social pages. And you can list down the social pages, or else he already knows you have invited him over there, right? So this is the way in which you can actually start collaborating with people. So this is Trello, which we are using. This was Google Drawing, which we used. So Google Drawing is a good tool for brainstorming, but when it comes to collaboration, I would go with Trello, and I would actually start working on this level. Okay. So I hope, guys, this was part one of marketing workflows that work. I hope we are clear. If there are any doubts, feel free to ask anytime. Next time भी अगर कुछ doubt है तो मुझे बता दीजिएगा, and we can actually start talking about it at that point. We can start a session with 10 minutes of you can say doubts, and then we can go into the new session. If you guys want to get in touch with me, you can get in touch with me on Insta, LinkedIn, email. Okay. Next time, I think the same time, 11 a.m. on Saturday, we will catch up for marketing workflows that work. That particular session is going to be more focused on content. Okay. So we'll see how exactly to create blogs, how exactly to create social media posts, and what is the workflow attached to these common things, right? So thanks a lot, guys, for attending this session. I hope you found it valuable. If there is any feedback, then please feel free to share, because that will really help us to improve. So thanks a lot for your time, and have a great weekend. Cheers.